Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to study practice set 2.3 of chapter 2 parallel lines and transversal of standard 8. Here in practice set 2.3 point is to draw a line parallel to the given line. One line will be given to you and we have to draw parallel line to the given line. Let's see example number 1. Draw a line L, take a point A outside the line. Through point A, draw a line parallel to line L. Now here what we have to do? We have to draw a line first, line L. Draw line L. Now using scale, take the scale and using this scale you draw a line. I also draw here. Line is drawn. What is name of this line? Line L. Okay, here till here we constructed line L is drawn. After that what is said? Take a point A outside the line. Now outside means here, anywhere you can draw. That measure distance, how much height, that is not given, anywhere. Then I plot here point A. You can plot anywhere. And what is name of this? Point A. Then I here. Point A is drawn. Point A is plotted. Take a point. Okay, point is taken. After that what? Through point A, draw a line parallel to the line L. Now we want parallel through point A. Now what to do? For that you have to use a set square. You have to use set square. For that, for 90-degree angle at the base, or otherwise you can use protractor. For what we are using? We are using to draw perpendicular. Now here you see baseline, here is base, and I take on vertical side A point, and from here I draw a segment, vertical segment like this, and here now we get 90-degree angle here. This is A point now. Now what is next? Through point A, draw a line parallel to the line L. Now that line should be parallel, means like this. And second, that line should pass through point A. First we drew a line L, then we took A point anywhere outside. After that we use set square, and by using set square we drew vertical line making 90-degree. Now we want line passing through A and parallel to L. Now what to do? Now we have to use rounder to draw a parallel line. Now here for that we have to plot one more point here. Now use the rounder. This is iron tip and this is pencil tip. Take fixed distance on above and below to the point A by taking sufficient distance. Now here one arc I draw up, and second arc by taking same distance draw arc down. Here and here. Now we got fixed distance. Okay. Now after taking fixed distance, we have to change the distance of this rounder now. Now put this iron tip on this arc, take more than half distance, more than half. Now this is till A half. Take more than half from here, sufficient but more than half, and draw one arc here on this side, same distance. Put on another arc that is below to point A, and from here you cross it. Okay. Now we got here one point, intersection point, and using scale now draw a line passing through A and this intersection point. See, ये name I give here. It is a line. Name is not given in the example. You can give any another. I give here M. And now this is the line M parallel to L passing through point A. Construction is over. Example number 2. Draw a line L. Take a point T outside the line. Through point T, draw a line parallel to line L. Same example to that of the first. Draw a line. What is name of this? Draw a line L. Point is L. Line L is drawn. Take a point T outside anywhere. Now only name of the point is changed. Here point T is taken. Point T. Now what to do? Use set square to draw a perpendicular line. Use set square, and by using this set square, draw a perpendicular line on line L. Perpendicular on line L. We want 90 degree there. Here perpendicular. Now name you can give if you want. Now using rounder, by taking point T as a center, take here sufficient distance, draw one arc above and second arc down to the line. Now this is fixed distance. Now by using these two arcs, draw one more point to this right side. Now put iron tip on upper arc and take more than half distance till T. This is half distance, more than half, and draw here to right side one arc from this arc. And now change the arc. On this arc put this iron tip and intersect it. And now we can draw a line passing through point T and this intersection point. Now draw a line. In this way. This is the line parallel to L, and name is not given. Again we can give it any name. I give here line M. Let's see example number 3. Draw a line M. Step by step we do construction. Draw a line M. First of all, I draw here one line. Line is drawn and give it name M. This is given line M. After that, draw line N which is parallel to line M at a distance of 4 centimeter. Now here we cannot take a point anywhere. We have to take a point at 4 centimeter distance from this line. But for that, by same procedure, first the set square and draw a vertical line, perpendicular line. Perpendicular line in this way. Here is perpendicular 90 degree. Okay, name I write here B. I give here B name. After that, now we want the point at 4 centimeter. Now in rounder, take 4 centimeter distance using scale. Using scale, take 4 centimeter distance. Okay, 4 centimeter is taken, put at point B and draw arc like this. This arc is drawn at 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter, and here you can give any name. Here I write A. And now same procedure that we did for example number 1 and example number 2. Now I take separation distance to fix a distance to up and down. Here one arc up, second arc I draw down. Okay, here now by using these two arcs we have to draw one more intersection point here. Now I keep this iron tip here, I take more than half. By taking more than half distance, one arc you draw from this, and now second time from here, from this arc, draw here intersection point. A point and intersection in this way. And what is name of this? It is given here, line N. Line N is here. At what distance that is drawn? At 4 centimeter from line M. This is the construction.